Welcome, friends. It's Dawn with For Grace Creations. So look what came in the mail. I had a dear friend send me a birthday present. It is some sort of a thing you plug in called a Gemini. I don't know. So I thought I'd open the box with you and we can see what's in it together. So this looks to be instruction manual. That's always good. And then, oops, I pulled the plastic off of that. What is this? Okay, there's a clear plastic plate, kind of heavy duty. And, oh, that's the plastic. Plastic shim, it says. And then this here is real lightweight, a metal cutting plate. And then another one of those clear plastic shims. And then this is a magnetic board. Okay. Interesting. And then what do we have? This is a plastic, but not really see-through. Like, I don't know. But it's thin, lightweight plastic. And then we have the machine. I'm assuming, yeah, that's just the power cord. So, since I'm doing this one-handed, I'm going to open the box off camera. Okay, here we go. It is out of the box, but look at the side of the box. It says that it cuts through all kinds of stuff. Paper, fabric, felt, leather, burlap, denim, glitter paper. I mean, look at all of that. Wow. Okay, and she also sent me some paper to play with. Yay, look at those beautiful colors. Wow. All right, let's try this. So the instructions say you're gonna kind of make a sandwich, but this paper's too big. I'm gonna need to fold it over and maybe tear the edge off. I should not be doing this one-handed. Okay, I tore the edge off the paper. So the sandwich, it says this clear plate is first. And then, let's see here. Then this plastic piece, plastic shim, I don't know. And then the metal magnetic board. And then she did send me some Tim Holtz thinlits, where it, you know, it cuts your paper into, it's a die cut. So this is a die cutting machine. And it says to put the smooth side down. So we'll do that. It is magnetic. It's kind of sucking them down. It's not a real strong magnet. So we'll put all those down. And then it says to put the paper down. So we'll do that next. Maybe we'll just put it upside down. I don't know which way you're supposed to put it. And then this clear plastic plate. So yeah, we've built a sandwich. All right, and if you look at the machine, there's only 3 buttons. You have the on-off switch. Now the lights are on. You have a pause button and you have a reverse button. And it says to just put this in there. I wonder if I can do this one-handed. Let's try this. Let's try it. Okay. This is quite comical trying to get it in one-handed. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to get my phone holder. I just was so excited and I thought, oh, I better record so you can see. Okay, so we push it in just a little bit. No, a little more. There we go. Oh my gosh, it just sucks it right through. Wow. Wow. All that crackling noise, yeah, that's normal. It's totally normal. If you have a regular Sizzix, you'll hear the same thing. The kind that you crank with your hand, But let's see how this did. Oh, look. How easy is that? That is so much easier than my Sizzix, where you have to crank it by hand, hold it down with one hand, and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, this made it so easy. But look, 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 look. Same thing with my handheld Sizzix. It makes prints in that pretty glass. It won't be pretty for long. Let's try this one. I've never used it. So we'll just put everything onto this magnetic plate and make our sandwich just like the instructions say. And crackle, crackle. And the more we use it, the more prints and weird marks are going to be on these clear plates. It's not a big deal. Wow, look. Okay, something I have to tell you. This machine actually puts in the folds for you. See, I'm doing this one-handed. Look how easy that is. It is like having a scoring machine or tool thing, only you don't need one because this does the scoring for you somehow. Look at how easy that is. I am so excited to play with this some more. Look, let's try this here. It's a Tim Holtz 3D texture fade embossing folder. Now, the instructions tell you how to do this, so you follow the instruction manual exactly, and you make a thinner sandwich. So here we go. The noise you hear is the dog drinking water. Stop! Go lay down! Okay. This should be fun. Wait. Excuse me. You guys? It's coming back out at us. What? Okay, let's see. What? I made the sandwich exactly like it said to. What? Oh, no! Oh, man, that thing sliced right through that mat. Okay, but seriously, though, it cut the whole way through. Like, you can see my fingernail in there. So I want to know, did I totally ruin it? Or can it still be used? So let's turn the machine back on. All right, it told me exactly how to do it. There's an instruction manual that, because I've never done this before, I'm following exactly. But we've learned a lesson. The Tim Holtz embossing folders are made too thick to work in this machine. So learn from my mistakes. So let's try and see if this is gonna work. I honestly have no clue, but let's use this. It says Sizzix Thinlits Tim Holtz 665929, and it's a bunch of labels. Oh, I really hope this works. I'm gonna use a piece of just normal craft paper here. Let's get out. Okay, so the flat side goes down. And we want to make sure of that. Looks like most of them came out flat, well, with flat side down. I don't know, it's bowed, you guys. They're sticking up. They're not laying flat anymore. I don't know what to do. Okay, let's just try this. Oh, I'm so sad. All right, here goes nothing. Okay. Well, look at that. It worked. Wow. Huh. Okay, so I didn't completely ruin it. Thank goodness. Oh, look, here's a couple more. Well, oh, yay. That is good to know. So something I thought we would try is dies with more intricate detail. Here in the instruction manual, it does talk about cutting very intricate dies, and you change the sandwich a little bit. It's showing that you need, let's see, your clear cutting plate on the bottom, your plastic shim, your magnetic shim, and then it wants the dies blade side up, so I thought we'd use this one. Okay. We'll just lay them down. Oh yeah, there is quite a bit of intricate detail on some of these. All right, so we've got that. And then it says the material to be cut. Okay. The metal cutting plate. Okay, so that is this. Not gonna lie, I'm a little afraid to use this now because of what happened with the Tim Holtz thing. All right, so that. And then another clear cutting plate. Okay. Let's see what happens. So you do have to push it in just enough to where the machine grabs it and starts pulling. Oh. Uh-oh. It's pushing it back out. Okay. I don't understand. Yeah, it didn't do any cutting. Maybe we'll turn it around and we'll try again. Do I dare? Let's try. Well, it's going this time. It took a little bit to get it to grab, though. All right. Let's see what we got. Other than shadows. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay. Well, what we got was definite indentations in our metal plate. That's weird. Okay, well, I'm going to set that over here. And now let's, whoa, see what we got. Okay, so there was this one. Oh, I should zoom in a little, huh? Okay. It seems to have cut it. Now, I did purchase a little Cricut tool because some of these little pieces here don't come out unless you have a pokey tool. And I tried using the tip of a ballpoint pen, a sharpened pencil, a itty bitty eyeglass screwdriver, and I couldn't get them to work. So what do we got here? Okay. Oh, the other one's over here. I see. All right. What is... Oh, well, I don't know what this is, but it's falling apart. And that's falling out. I guess maybe we just push everything out this way. Do any of you have one of these machines? Do you have tips and tricks for me? Did you already know that Tim Holtz embossing folders cannot go through here? I'm kind of scared to try. I have 2 embossing folders, other than the Tim Holtz one. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared to use it. I'm after what happened there. Yeah, I don't know. I'm scared. All right, so let's put these away. Back in their little holder. And, okay, maybe just set the pieces that I know are going to be used over here. See, I'm not sure. There's so many itty bitty little things that, I mean, some of it's obvious, but like this, so clearly, either it broke in transit or I don't know, but I want to keep the pieces that I know we might need. So I'll just maybe scoot them over here. Oh my, these little intricate details. Do you guys have a favorite die for your die cutting? These have intricate details. I'm gonna try this with the normal sandwich without using that metal plate and just see what happens and get at least some of it. Yeah, it looks like I won't have enough paper for that. All right, here we go. Ooh. This is a lot easier with 2 hands, I'm telling you. A lot easier. That's kind of cool, a paint splatter. All right, it's coming out the other end. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the machine off. And let's see, I'll set that over there. Let's see what we got. Okay, so again, that's where this comes in handy. So you can just kind of poke through. How fun is this? That's kind of cool, don't you think? All right, let's see. Oh, the paint splatter. Now, what about this one? Oh, look. More to push through. All right. There it is. Okay. Is that a little piece that needs to come out? No. There it is. Cool. How fun. And then, yeah, a little bit got stuck down in there. There, it came out. All right. Wow. Oh, boy, you guys. Well, I do need another one of these for sure because it is all wonky and things are not staying down and it's going to rip totally in half. And I got to be honest, I don't know where to get this. So I'm going to have to look, I guess maybe Amazon. I think for now, I'll keep testing out these fun things with it. And I guess when it goes kaput, then I guess I'll have no option. And I'll just have to get one. But my thought is I would give this 4 stars, not 5, because I can't use Tim Holtz embossing folders in it. But this thing is pretty cool. So I hope this helped you if you were debating whether or not to get it or didn't know what it was. Have a great day, you guys. I'll see you soon.